Hey, good evening. Jason Ball with Miller Electric. In Grosse Pointe Woods, we got hit with a really bad storm on Wednesday, and that wiped out a lot of trees, which hit a lot of houses and knocked out power. It's Friday afternoon. We're still without power, and we got 2 more days before we're probably even going to see any life of getting power back here yet. One of the coolest things that we've had going on right now to get us through this time has been having this Trailblazer 325 here to be able to kind of use it and power up the house with it. There's a key aspect of this thing that I really wanted to show you, and it has to deal with this accessory we call Excel Power. Some folks saying, why do I really want to have that? I'm having a conversation with you guys right now by having most of my accessories plugged into the Excel Power outlet right here. I have 2 freezers, a fridge running, an extension cord that runs the accessories for our house, like the laptops and cell phones and things like that, and I can still have a conversation. It's very quiet, it's not very loud in the yard. I'm going to swap the plugs off the Excel side, power those same accessories over on the non-Excel Power side, and let's take a look at how loud it is. So this is where now I'm running the fridges on the non-Excel Power side, and this thing's got to run on high idle. By us running on the Excel Power side, you probably can't even understand what the hell I'm saying, it's too loud. But this to me is kind of annoying. This isn't very comfortable for me to like stand here and talk next to this thing. I'm gonna switch it back to Excel Power and finish the conversation. Excel Power is now enabled back on this machine. And what makes Excel Power unique for us is the fact that we're using the inverter that's in the machine that does the welding portion of this to actually power some of those other shop accessories that you have. So for me, Excel Power is just a must-have on these machines to be able to run that lower idle, drop that decibel level down. I'm in a residential neighborhood, so if I was doing a job around here, if I wanted to run some power tools, then I'd really just like hearing this thing purr as opposed to it trying to spike a high idle or a run speed in order to be able to keep those tools running. So Excel Power, man, that's your tip of the day.